Today we will discuss about top 120 current affair questions of 2024. This is very important questions for your Hindustan Olympiad exam. Question number 1. How many Padma awards were given in 2024? The correct answer is 132. Padma Vibhushan 5, Padma Bhushan 17, Padma Shri 110. Second question, what is India's rank in Henley Passport Index 2024? And the correct answer is 82. Which country won the maximum medals in Paris Olympic 2024? The correct answer is USA. Which country has become the 101st member to join the International Solar Alliance ISA? Correct answer is Nepal. Jishnudev Verma has been appointed as the governor of which state? Correct answer is Telangana. How many Ramsar sites are there in India in 2024? Ramsar sites. The correct answer is 85 Ramsar sites in India. Who has been elected as the new chairman of the International Cricket Council ICC? As you see in the figure, the correct answer is Jay Shah, son of Amit Shah, Home Minister of India, who has been honored with the prestigious Raymond Magsaysay Award for 2024. The correct answer is Hayao Miyazaki. World Rainforest Day 2024 is celebrated on. The correct answer is 12th June. Lawrence Wong has been sworn as the new Prime Minister of which country? And the correct answer is Singapore. Tasi Ravstan has recently been appointed as Chief Justice of which High Court? And the correct answer is Jammu Kashmir and Ladakh High Court. Who among the following has been recently appointed as the new president of Sri Lanka? The correct answer is Anura Kumar Dissanayake, who has been appointed as the director of NCRV. Rajesh Malhotra, Praveen Sood, Alok Ranjan, Rahul. Correct answer is Alok Ranjan. Who has become the youngest Prime Minister of Thailand? Youngest Prime Minister of Thailand. And the correct answer is Paetongtarn Shinawatra. How many medals have been won by India at the 70th Paralympic Games in Paris? The correct answer is 29. Recently, Bohai Gulf has been included in the UNESCO World Heritage Site. It is located in Bohai Gulf. It is located at LOC. Correct answer is LOC. Who has been appointed as the chairman of UPSC? Chairman of UPSC. And the correct answer is Preeti Sudan. The world's first nuclear power plant based on molten thorium salt will be set up in which country? In China. Correct answer is China. The joint military exercise Mitra Shakti is between is India and which country? Between India and which country? The correct answer is Sri Lanka. What was India's rank in medal tally of Paris Olympic 2024? India's rank in medal tally in Paris Olympic 2024. The correct answer is 71st. How many Bharat Ratna awards were given in 2024? 5. Who is the world's youngest female para swimmer to cross the English Channel? Youngest female para swimmer to cross the English Channel. Correct answer is Jia Rai. What is India's rank in Global Gender Gap Index 2024? The correct answer is 129. Who has been appointed as the Chief of Army Staff? Correct answer is General Upendra Dwivedi. General Upendra Dwivedi. Where has India's first Chadwick House Navigating Audit Heritage Museum or CAG museum opened? Correct answer is Simla. Which film has won the 2024 National Film Award for Best Feature Film? Correct answer is Attam. This is a Malayalam film. Who has been elected as the President of 79th session of the United Nations General Assembly? And the correct answer is Philemon Young. India launched its first 24 by 7 grain ATM in which state? Grain ATM in which state? The correct answer is Odisha. Who is the author of the book Breaking Rocks and Barrier? The correct answer is Sudipta Sen Gupta. Breaking Rocks and Barriers. Who has been awarded the highest civilian Grand Collar of the Order Award of Timor Leste? Highest civilian Grand Collar of the Order Award of Timor Leste. Correct answer is Draupadi Murmu, President of India. Halla Thomas Dottir has been elected as the President of which country? Correct answer is Iceland. India has received the highest FDI from which country in 2023 to 24? And the correct answer is Singapore. Exercise HOPEX is a joint military exercise between India and which country? Correct answer is Egypt. Where is the 108 feet tall bronze statue of the famous Nada Prabhu Kemedgowda installed? Correct answer is Bengaluru. Which is the first Indian state to provide insurance for Disaster risk management. Correct answer is Nagaland. Neeraj Chopra won the silver medal in javelin by throwing how many meters at Paris Olympic 2024? And the correct answer is 89.45 meter. Who is the flag bearer of the Indian contingent at opening ceremony at the Paris Olympic 2024? Bhagyashree Jadhav and Sumit Antil is the correct answer. Kemal Moduri recently became Prime Minister of which country? Correct answer is Tunisia. Riken Yamamoto was the winner of Pritzker Architecture Prize 2024. He belongs to which country? The correct answer is Japan. Who has been appointed as the next Chief of the Naval Staff? Chief of the Naval Staff. Correct answer is Dinesh Kumar Tripathi. Next set. Who among the following is the architect of Ram Mandir in Ayodhya? Architect of Ram Mandir in Ayodhya. Correct answer is Chandrakant Sompura. The joint exercise Dharm Gorjan has been organized between India and which country? The correct answer is Japan. Karavati World Sanctuary, which has been given the status of Ramsar site recently, is located in which state? Correct answer is Tamil Nadu. Who has been honored with the 58th Gyanpith Award in 2024? The correct answer is both A and B. Guljar and Jagat Guru Ram Bhadracharya received the Gyanpith Puraskar in 2024. Om Prakash Mathur was sworn in as the 18th governor of which state? Correct answer is Sikkim. Who has been appointed as the next permanent representative of India to the United Nations? The correct answer is Parvathaneni Haris. Where was the world's first nuclear energy summit held recently? World's first nuclear energy summit held. Correct answer is Belgium. Paul Kagame was sworn in as the president of which country? Correct answer is Rwanda. Which country has won the Cricket Women's Asia Cup in 2024? Important question. And the correct answer is Sri Lanka. What is India's rank in the World's Press Freedom Index 2024? Correct answer is 159th rank. Carlos Alcaraz won the French Open 2024. He is from which country? This is also important question. The correct answer is Spain. Oleg Kononenko, who recently became the first person to spend 1000 days in space, belong to which country? Correct answer is Russia. Which of the following countries is not a part of BRICS? Egypt, Ethiopia, Iran, Argentina. Correct answer is Argentina. Which country has won the Thomas Uber Cup 2024 title? This is also important. Correct answer is China. Guru Ghasidas Tomar Pingala Tiger Reserve is located in which state? The correct answer is Chhattisgarh. Who has become the new president of ICJ, International Court of Justice? Correct answer is Nawaf Salam, Lebanon. Nicolas Maduro has been elected as the president of which country? Correct answer is Venezuela. Who won the men's single title in tennis in the Paris Olympic 2024? The correct answer is Novak Djokovic. Gupteswar Forest of which state has been declared as the Biodiversity Heritage Site? And the correct answer is Odisha. Who has won the Grammy Award for Best Global Music Album? The correct answer is This Moment. Who was sworn in as Mexico's first female president in 2024? And the correct answer is Claudia Sheinbaum. Which of the following is Sachi Malik's recently unveiled memoir? Correct answer is Witness. Which actor was recently honored with Dadasaheb Phalke Award in 2024? Correct answer is Mithun Chakravarti. 2024 Dadasaheb Phalke Award. Important question for Hindustan Olympiad. Exercise Pitch Black 2024 has been conducted between India and which country? The correct answer is Australia. Pitch Black 2024. India will host the Quad Leaders Summit in Quad Leaders Summit in correct answer is 2025. Who has been appointed as the Lieutenant Governor of Puducherry? Correct answer is K. Kailas Nathan. Asia's largest open air trade fair, Bali Jatra, is celebrated in which state? Fair Bali Jatra in which state? Correct answer is Odisha. Sea Vigilance 2024 is a defense exercise conducted by which country? Correct answer is India. The central government has approved the development of Kaimur Wildlife Sanctuary as a tiger reserve. It's located in which state? Kaimur Wildlife Sanctuary. Correct answer is Bihar. Which of the following countries will host the first ever Kho World Cup in 2025? Correct answer is India. Who has been appointed as the Director General of All India Radio? All India Radio General Director. Correct answer is Mosmi Chakravarti. World Animal Welfare Day 2024 was celebrated on. The correct answer is 4th October. Who has taken oath as the first Chief Minister of Union Territory of Jammu and Kashmir? Correct answer is Omar Abdullah. Who won the title of 73rd Miss Universe 2024? Miss Universe 2024. Correct answer is Victoria Jor Thelwig, who has been honored with the prestigious Pen Printer Prize 2024 for her unflinching and unswerving writings. Arundhati Roy, who has been reappointed as the Chief of the Intelligence Bureau in 2024. Correct answer is Tapan Kumar Deka, who is the author of the book Power Within, the Leadership Legacy of Narendra Modi. Correct answer is Dr. R. Balasubramaniam. Which country recently became a new member of the BRICS New Development Bank in September 2024? Correct answer is Algeria. Who is the first Indian left arm spinner to take 300 test wickets? The correct answer is Ravindra Jadeja, who is appointed as the new CAG, Controller and Auditor General of India. Important question also. Correct answer is K. Sanjay Murthy. Next set number 3. Who is the current Secretary General of United Nations? The correct answer is Antonio Guterres. Which country hosted the 16th BRICS Summit in 2024? Correct answer is Russia. Who won the Booker Prize 2024 for her novel Orbital in 2024? The correct answer is Samantha Harvey. Tulsi Gabbard has been appointed as the Director of National Intelligence in which country? She is the American Hindu, USA. In USA, which country has recently launched the world's first 6G communication satellite? 6G communication satellite. The correct answer is China. Who received the prestigious IAF World Space Award in 2024? Correct answer is S. Somnath, IAF World Space Award 2024. Important question. Where will be the 18th Pravasi Bharatiya Divas 2025 we held? Pravasi Bharatiya Divas. Correct answer is Bhubaneswar, Odisha. Who won the ICC Women's 2020 World Cup 2024? Correct answer is New Zealand 2020 World Cup 2024 ICC Women's. Who has been appointed as the new governor of Jharkhand? New governor of Jharkhand. Correct answer is Santosh Kumar Gangwar. Which country has formally accepted as the 10th member state of the Shanghai Cooperation Organization SCO? Correct answer is Belarus. Which country won the most medals in the Paris Olympic 2024? The correct answer is USA. What is India's rank in Global Hunger Index 2024? Correct answer is 105th. The ninth joint exercise Garuna Shakti 2024 was conducted between India and which country? Garuna Shakti 2024. Indonesia. Which country will host the ASEAN Summit 2025? Correct answer is Malaysia. National Education Day is observed on. Correct answer is 11th November. Who won the men's single title in the US Open Tennis 2024? Correct answer is Jannik Sinner. Astana Declaration is related to which of the following? Astana Declaration. The correct answer is primary health. Who has been appointed as the Director General of the Press Information Bureau PIV? Correct answer is Dhirendra Ojha. In which state union territory is Jhiri Mela held? Correct answer is Jammu and Kashmir. Where is the world's first CO2 to methanol plant inaugurated? CO2 to methanol plant. Correct answer is Pune, Maharashtra. What is India's rank in Environmental Performance Index EPI 2024? The correct answer is 176. Who has won the Best Actor Award at the 70th National Film Award 2024? Important question for your Hindustan Olympiad exam. Correct answer is Rishabh Shetty. International Day of Sign Language 2024 is celebrated on. Sign symbol Sanketik Bhasha. Correct answer is 23 September. What is India's rank in Global Energy Transition Index 2024? Correct answer is 63. Who won the prestigious Abel Prize 2024? Prestigious Abel Prize 2024. The correct answer is Michael Talagrand. Christiana Zhukova of which country has crowned Miss World 2024? Correct answer is Czech Republic. German author Jenny Erpenbeck and translator Michael Hoffman have won the prestigious International Booker Prize for which novel? The correct answer is Kairos. Who has won the women's single title at 2024 Wimbledon Open? The correct answer is Barbora Rezikova. Which institute has been honored with the Nelson Mandela Award 2024 by the WHO? The correct answer is National Institute of Mental Health and Neurosciences. According to World Cybercrime Index 2024, what is the rank of India in cybercrime globally? The correct answer is 10th. Recently, which Indian received the Whitley Gold Award 2024? The correct answer is Purnima Devi Varman. Robert Metsola, who has been elected President of European Parliament for a second term, is from which country? Malta. Correct answer is Malta. Who among the following has been appointed as the Director of Enforcement Directorate in 2024 ED? The correct answer is Rahul Naveen. Adi Changri Peacock Sanctuary is located in which state? The correct answer is Karnataka. Which Indian has been selected for the Goldman Environment Prize 2024? The correct answer is Alok Shukla. Who has been appointed as the Secretary General of NATO 2024? The correct answer is Mark Rutte. Who has been appointed as the new Prime Minister of France? Correct answer is Michael Vernier. Malayalam poet Prabha Burma won the 2024 Saraswati Samman for which novel? This is important question. Correct answer is Rudra Satvikam. Who was the flag bearer of the closing ceremony of Paris Paralympics 2024? The correct answer is Preeti Pal and Harvinder Singh. This is the last question. Who has been conferred with the Chevalier de la Légion d'Honneur, the highest civilian award of France? And the correct answer is Roshni Nadar. Thank you for watching.